Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Heath Ledger's iconic Joker hair. First, ensure your hair has sufficient length, ideally 4 to 6 inches, to achieve the desired style. A good foundation is key. Next, select a high-quality, strong-hold styling product. This will be crucial for maintaining the look throughout the day. Finally, consider a layered haircut. This adds essential volume and texture, making the styling process much easier and more effective for that disheveled yet controlled appearance. Once your hair is prepped, apply your chosen styling product to damp hair, concentrating on the roots to maximize lift and volume. Don't be afraid to use a generous amount. Next, use your fingers to really work the product through, creating those distinct, messy sections that define the look. Finally, blow dry your hair on a medium heat setting, scrunching and lifting as you go. This technique enhances texture and helps set the style. To achieve that perfectly imperfect, disheveled finish, a light mist of flexible hold hairspray is your best friend. This will keep everything in place without making it stiff. Gently tousle your hair with your fingers, focusing on creating a natural, unkempt aesthetic rather than a perfectly sculpted one. Remember, the goal is controlled chaos. Avoid overbrushing, as this can flatten the volume and remove the texture you've worked hard to create. Maintaining your Heath Ledger-inspired hair involves a few simple steps. Washing your hair every 2 to 3 days helps preserve natural oils, which contribute to its texture and health. Between washes, a good dry shampoo can work wonders to refresh your hair and add a little extra volume, keeping the look fresh. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps keep your style looking great and your space sounding amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.